जय बाबा की। बाबा नीब करोरी महाराज के सारे भक्तजनों को मेरा प्रणाम। आज अमेरिका से ये भक्त रिया आई है और बाबा नीब करोरी महाराज की कृपा से आज घर पर आई, चाय नाश्ता किया। जब इसको पता चला कि मनोज भैया से सब प्रेम करते हैं और मनोज भैया किला घाट के सेवक हैं, तो ये घर पर आई। बड़ा अच्छा लगा और जब इसने दर्शन किए रूम में बाबा महाराज के, तो बड़ा इसको आनंद आया। ये विदेशी भक्त बाबा महाराज के धामों के दर्शन करने के लिए आते हैं और बाबा से बहुत प्रेम करते हैं। 7 समुंदर दूर बाबा नीब करोरी महाराज के धामों के दर्शन करने की प्रबल इच्छा इनकी होती है, तभी बाबा महाराज के धामों में ये भक्त आ पाते हैं। आज ये घर पर है मेरे साथ और बड़ा इसको अच्छा लगा, मुझे भी अच्छा लगा, क्योंकि सेवा करने का मौका मुझे मिल जाता है तो मैं बहुत खुशनसीब अपने आप को समझता हूँ। मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि प्रतिदिन सेवा करता रहूँ और आप सबकी सेवा किसी न किसी रूप में बाबा नीब करोरी महाराज की कृपा से चलती ही रहती। चलिए सुनिए क्या कहा है, किस तरह का आनंद आया, कहाँ कहाँ गई है, आनंद लीजिए। आप भक्त हैं।
My name is Leah Elizabeth from America, from Texas. I'm 31 years old, and that's it. That's all there is about me.
What do you do Neep Karori Dham?
What do I think about Neem Karoli Dam here in Neem Karoli?
Yes. Blake.
It's so magnificent. I love stepping in, very powerful. All the Murtis, Ganesha Murti, of course Hanuman,
Yeah.
Maharaji, Shiva, Durga, everything is just so spectacular.
The very big temple of
It's
Neep Karori
very
Dham.
big, yes, very big and very powerful,
Very powerful.
strong. But like also Shanti, like also peaceful.
First time is visit of Neep Karori Dham?
First time, technically this second time
Second time.
here this time, yes.
Next visit
Maybe February. I
February.
don't know,
Yes. 50 and 40 February.
Yes, maybe.
Come to Neep Karori Dham.
Yes.
And night stay is my home.
Mm-hmm.
2 days stay of my home.
2 nights. We can do 2 nights. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Really, with the whole group, she
Yes,
has.
she has
Yes.
her own group.
25 member. 20 member,
Yeah,
25
they plan-
member.
They plan every month to come in India and visit Nikori Baba.
Really?
Yeah.
From America?
Yeah.
America.
What?
Big doctor.
You also have to send me her information.
Big doctor.
A big doctor?
Big doctor. And very old devotee
Is she?
of USA.
I'll have to get her contact.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yes.
Yeah, and join with her because that sounds amazing.
She is also, and my father vocal is
She
too.
sings Bhajan Kirtan.
Yeah.
Wow. Amazing. I must meet or at least get her phone number.
Yes.
Minimum get her phone number, like hopefully meet her. Yes.
Saraswati ji come to next month. Next month and 50 days.
50.
Yeah.
50. With a group.
Yes. 25 member.
I wonder maybe we'll cross
One time visit of नीप करोरी धाम मेरे साथ में थी.
Yeah.
Travelers find their way here. Yes.
यहाँ पर कैसा लगा आपको नीप करोरी धाम में, और आज हमसे मिली हैं तो कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
This particular day,
Yes.
it was actually quite funny because I was laying in bed, very comfortable, AC. It was like 8 o'clock, and I thought to myself, "Oh, I'm just gonna stay in bed and like sleep a little bit longer." And then all of a sudden, I heard Jao. Like I felt like I could hear Maharaji being like, Jao, like get up, get out of bed. And I just sat there and I was like, do I have, like, I'm so cozy, I'm so comfortable, I don't want to. And then I ended up being like, no, I should get up for some reason, I don't know why. So I got up, got ready, packed, went down, checked out, and as I was about to leave and no longer have Wi-Fi, your father called me.
Oh.
And I was like, huh, okay. And so I called him back, and then it all just unfolded for me to come here. And then, of course, the hotel owner knows each other, and like everything just happened for me to be here. So
How's the nature of my father?
wonderful. Yes, generous, lovely, great. Like
And the vibe of house?
and the beautiful. I mean, like, honestly, walking in and seeing such like a grand depiction and beautiful photo of Maharaji, and then all of Neem Karoli Baba, it's so beautiful.
Isn't it positive vibe?
Very, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Very lovely.
Because he has to do some work.
Yes, yes, that
He
happens.
get
Yeah, yeah. But hopefully he'll come back, and I'm sure, will he visit here while he's in India? Will he come?
हमारे घर आएंगे?
नहीं,
No, he
Not
will
this
not.
time.
no.
His kirtan is so much powerful, no?
Mm-hmm.
कैटरीना फ्रेंड है
Packed and about to go to the bus station.
Oh.
And then I got the call, and it was like, okay, I'll come here for like just a short time, but then I'll go. So, yeah, I certainly will. I certainly will. Because Maharaji has like such mysterious and funny ways of bringing us all together, you know? So,
How?
actually, do you know Ramdas? He was a big Western devotee,
Yes.
Harvard professor. Yes.
Ramdas.
So, Ramdas, yes.
Yeah.
I read Be Here Now, and in Be Here Now, of course, he's, affectionately mentioning my guru, Maharaji, Neem Karoli Baba. And I was like, okay, like, what is this? And so I found the book, Miracle of Love, that's all about
Neem Karoli
Neem
Baba.
Karoli Baba, stories from Western and Indian devotees.
First book was Miracle of Love.
Yes, Miracle of Love.
Yeah.
And then I read that, and I was just like, wow.
Ramdas is a big devotee.
Yes, Ramdas.
And
is-
first devotee Ramdas, and second is Ram Rani.
Yes, yes.
Ram Rani.
Ramani.
He had so many concerts, you know?
And like Krishna Das.
Krishnadas. Yes,
Krishna
yes,
Das.
yes.
Yes, and
Krishna Das.
he's coming in October?
Next 6 months.
I think in October he's going to be in Rishikesh.
Rishikesh is
Yes,
there.
Rishikesh. In
2 days.
Yes.
Hare Rama, Hare Krishna,
Yes.
Kirtan, Krishnadas.
Yes.
हम नहीं जा पाए थे.
बाबा से जो प्रेम करते हैं वो बाबा के रंग में रंग जाते हैं। आपने सुना है कि क्या क्या अनुभव उसे प्राप्त हो रहे हैं, और ये बड़ी कृपा है बाबा महाराज की कि आपने सोचा और बाबा ने आपको बुला लिया। ये बहुत बड़ी कृपा है। चलिए आनंद लीजिए, आप भी मस्त रहिए, स्वस्थ रहिए, किसी भी तरह की कोई भी परेशानी आपके जीवन में कभी भी ना आए। आप मस्त रहें और बाबा नीम करोली महाराज की कृपा सब पर बनी रहे। मेरे साथ प्रेम से बोलेंगे, बोलिए बाबा नीम करोली महाराज की जय।